Hello, are you opening a business? Are you confused whether you should operate as a sole proprietor or an incorporated business? Here is the solution. What is an incorporation? Incorporation saves taxes when the money is sitting in the corporation. If you withdraw money out of the corporation, then it is taxable in personal hands. So it's kind of a tax deferral mechanism. Just be careful if you are making maybe under $10,000, $20,000 in a business income for a year. Maybe you don't need a tax deferral calculations and complicated procedures. You can have a sole proprietor business. But remember, if you make more than $30,000, you should also have what is called as a GST number in Canada. Please follow me for more real life tax updates. This is Chandra Kancheti from Morris Monner Tax. Thank you everyone.